Are you worried about the safety of your poultry, livestock, or garden? Lydite Poultry Network offers professional and convenient fencing solutions to protect your animals and property. Why choose Lydite Poultry website? Let's look at its core advantages. Advantage 1. Wide application. Electric fencing is suitable for protecting various animals including poultry, cats, rabbits, and chickens. Advantage 2. Durable and high profile. The fence is made of high-strength polyethylene and stainless steel wire mesh. Suitable for long-term outdoor use, the fluorescent mesh design is highly visible, easy to spot. Advantage 3. Convenient and flexible. Integrated design, easy storage, easy to move to any location, quick setup. Surprisingly, Lydite offers a variety of fencing models to meet the protection needs of various poultry species. All models come standard. Lydite Multi-Variety Poultry Network, providing clients with the most suitable protection solutions.